Hello dear children, welcome back to the Knowledge series by Amit Publishing House. I am Vandana and we are doing book 6. This is your grammar book and here the cover page of your book is in front of you and the name of the book is English Grammar plus Skills Unleashed Workbook. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter and this chapter is the 12th chapter of your book. And the name of this chapter is Conjunctions. So let's start with the chapter. A conjunction is a word that is used to join words, group of words or sentences. So conjunction ऐसे word होते हैं जो दो words को join करते हैं, दो group of words को join करते हैं और दो sentences को आपस में join करते हैं. So here we can see some purposes are given here. Now the conjunctions, कौन-कौन से conjunction use हो रहे हैं and few examples are written in front of you. We are going to read it out. First is addition. So add करना है किसी भी चीज को दो sentences को दो words को add करना तो हम क्या use करते हैं and also to as well. So ये conjunction हम use करते हैं. For example, Apurva speaks Sanskrit. She knows French too. So यहाँ पे अपूर्वा को संस्कृत आती है, उसे फ्रेंच भी आती है. So here we have used to. Choice, जहाँ पे हम choice दे रहे हैं और either or. So choose करना है या तो ये या फिर या तो वो. I don't mind either the black shirt or the red. So यहाँ पे जिस पर्सन से पूछा जा रहा है कि कौन सी शर्ट पहनोगे तो उसने बोला कि मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, चाहे तो ब्लैक शर्ट दे दो चाहे वो रेड वाली दे दो, कोई भी दे दो, कोई भी चलेगी. सो ये यहाँ पे चॉइस दी गई थी तो उसने बोला कि ये आपकी चॉइस है, आप इसमें से कोई भी दे सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्ट्रास्ट. बट, दो, ऑल्दो, वेयरएज. सो ये सारे जो वर्ड्स हैं ये दीज आर यूज्ड फॉर गिविंग सम कॉन्ट्रास्ट. दो मिसेस सिन्हा हैड टर्न 70, शी इज वेरी एनर्जेटिक. सो भले ही वो ऐसी हैं लेकिन वो अभी भी ऐसी हैं. नेक्स्ट इज रीजन. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रीजन. बिकॉज, एज, सिंस. जब हमें कोई रीजन देना होता है. वी डिड नॉट गो टू द स्कूल बिकॉज इट वॉज अ हॉलिडे. हम लोग स्कूल नहीं गए क्योंकि छुट्टी थी. नेक्स्ट इज कंपैरिजन. कंपैरिजन के लिए वी यूज एज. आई एम नॉट एज क्विक एज माई फीट एज आई वॉज 10 years old. सो यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन हो रहा है कि मैं उतनी जवान नहीं रह गई जैसे मैं 10 साल की बच्ची थी, तो मेरे पैर उतने तेज नहीं चल सकते. सो मैंने क्या कंपेयर किया, अभी के एज को अपनी बचपन से कंपेयर किया. नेक्स्ट इज मैनर. एज इफ, एज दो. Nupur nodded as if to say she approved of a work. So यहाँ पे as if and as though is used, which means Nupur nodded. Nupur ने अपना सिर हिलाया as if to say she approved for the girl. उसने सिर हिलाया जैसे कि उसने गर्ल के लिए उसने अप्रूवल दे दिया, यस बोल दिया है. नेक्स्ट इज टाइम. एज, while, until, since, after and before. I will not go into the room until I am called. So जब तक मुझे नहीं बुलाएगा मैं कमरे के अंदर नहीं जाऊंगा. So these are the conjunctions that we have learned. Now let's do some book exercise. Can Baul Tinu bat well, but he cannot well. So here we can start the sentence with Tinu. Tinu can bowl well, but he cannot bat well. So this is to be written. Next all the questions written here, that is your homework, children. Next is kinds of conjunctions. All conjunctions perform the same basic function but they are of 3 different kinds. So जितने भी conjunction है उनका just एक ही basic function है पर वो different kinds के हैं. First comes the coordinating conjunctions. Second one is subordinating conjunctions and the third one is correlative conjunctions. So let's start with the first one, that is coordinating conjunction. So coordinating conjunctions are words that connect or join clause or sentence of equal importance. So दो equally important sentences को ये coordinating conjunctions join करते हैं. Some common coordinating conjunctions are for and, nor, but, or, yet and so, also known as. So कुछ coordinating conjunctions यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं जो एक जैसे equality वाले sentences को आपस में join करते हैं. So here we follow the fanboys rule. And what is this fanboys rule? FANBOYS. So for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So these are the words that are used in coordinating conjunctions. For is used, they do not speak, for they are dumb. So वो बोलते नहीं है क्योंकि वो dumb है. The gamble and smoke. वो gamble भी करता है और smoke भी करता है, दोनों चीजें करता है. They do not smoke nor they gamble. So यहाँ पे जब no का use हुआ है, so nor is used here. It connects non-contrasting and negative ideas. Next is but. They gamble but they do not smoke. वो gamble करते हैं लेकिन वो smoke नहीं करते. So it shows contrast. Or every day they gamble or they smoke. So हर दिन वो gamble करते हैं या फिर वो smoke करते हैं. Here it shows an alternative idea. They gamble yet they do not smoke. वो gamble तो करते हैं लेकिन वो smoke नहीं करते. So here we have used yet. He gambled well last night, so he smoked a cigar to celebrate. So पिछले दिन जो दिन बीत गया उसमें वो गैम्बलिंग में जीत गया, उसने उसे बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया, एंड फॉर दैट ही सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए वो स्मोक कर रहा है, इसीलिए वो ऐसा कर रहा है. So we use so here. Next comes the subordinating conjunction. So subordinating conjunctions being subordinating clause and connect to unequal parts. दो unequal parts को ये join करते हैं. Dependent and independent clause. So कुछ इसमें dependent होते हैं और independent clause इन्हें आपस में आप जोड़ते हैं. Subordinating conjunctions. Some common subordinating conjunctions are given here after, although, as, because, before, if, once, since, that, then, though, till, until, when, were, whether, and while. So these are some of the subordinating conjunctions, and here some examples are given of each. जो भी हमने अभी पढ़ा उन सब examples यहाँ पे दिए गए. So I'm going to read 2 or 3, and then you have to read the rest, and then you have to complete the given exercise. I will call you after I have spoken to them. So मैं तुम्हें तब बुलाऊंगा जब मैंने उनसे बात कर ली होगी. She went swimming although it was racing. So वो swimming चली गई भले ही racing हो रही थी. And she sat watching her as she got ready. So वो बैठ के उसे देख रही थी जब वो ready हो रही थी. I did it because he told me to. मैंने ऐसा इसलिए किया क्योंकि उसने ऐसा बोला था. So children, rest, you have to read on your own and see what these sentences are trying to say. ये sentence क्या कहना चाहते हैं, आपको इन्हें ध्यान से पढ़ना है, and then you have to read it and learn it also. Next comes the correlative conjunctions. So the correlative conjunctions are used in pairs to connect equivalent elements in a sentence. So एक जैसे equally important elements को ये आपस में correlate करता है, means जोड़ता है. The second word of the pair is usually a coordinating conjunction. So इसमें जो second part होता है वो ज़्यादातर coordinating conjunction होता है. दो एक जैसे तो होते हैं पर जो second वाला होता है वो coordinating conjunction होता है. Some common correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and, whether or, just as so. So these are some of the correlating conjunctions जो आपस में relate करते हैं. दो words हैं आपस में, वो दोनों एक दूसरे को relate करें. Either he could not come or he did not want. या तो वो आना नहीं चाहता था या तो वो नहीं आ पाया. She not only wrote the essay but also selected the topic. So उसने ना तो सिर्फ essay ही लिखा but उसने topic भी select किया. I neither knew nor caused what happened to him. So मुझे जो है बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चला कि उसे क्या हुआ था. Neither cased, ना तो मैंने केस किया था. Both of his mother and his father will be there. So मम्मी पापा दोनों वहाँ पे होंगे. I am going whether you like it or not. मैं जा रही हूँ भले तुम्हें पसंद हो या फिर ना पसंद हो. Just as Indians love hockey, so Europeans love soccer. तो जैसे इंडियंस को हॉकी पसंद है वैसे यूरोपियंस को सॉकर पसंद है. Now we have to fill in the blanks with the correct coordinating conjunctions here. Would you rather have cheese or butter on your sandwich? So the first one you have done, they ate bread and butter, and the rest questions you have to do on your own. Now fill in the blanks with the correct subordinating conjunctions given in the bracket. So अब यहाँ पे subordinating conjunction लिखने हैं जो यहाँ bracket में दिए गए हैं. You could go and play. You have done your homework. Till you have done your homework or after you have done your homework. So here after will come. Next second question is Mahesh went swimming. It was raining. So here the two words are given although and until. So Mahesh went swimming although it was raining or until it was raining. So here although will come and the rest of the questions you have to do on your own. Now fill in the blanks with correct correlative conjunctions for the bracket. So bracket में कुछ conjunctions दिए गए हैं इनमें से choose करके we have to fill in the blanks. Dash Ankur dash Pulkit applied for the job. So whether Ankit or Pulkit applied for the job, both Ankur and Pulkit applied for the job. So here both will come. Both Ankur and Pulkit applied for the job. Next one is I can't decide. I should take English next year, take French. So I can't decide either I should take English next year or take French, or whether I should take English or French. So here we have to write here whether. The second one is correct. I cannot decide whether I should take English next year or take French. So children, the rest of the questions you have to do on your own. Next, there is an error of conjunctions in each of the sentences. So sentence दिए इनमें कुछ correction करने conjunctions wrongly placed हैं. Encircle the wrong conjunction and write the correct one in the given space. So गलत वाले conjunction को हमें circle करना है और उसकी जगह पे जो सही conjunction है वो हमें इस space में हमें लिखना है. Although you work hard, you cannot pass the examination. So we have learned so many conjunctions. So this you have to do on your own. Now fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Dash you do not study hard, you will not succeed. So if you will not study hard, you will not succeed. Rest is your homework. So children, we have completed the next chapter also, that is conjunctions. And we have learned about so many conjunctions here, the coordinating conjunctions, the subordinating conjunctions and the correlating conjunctions. So children, you have to practice and read this chapter again and read all the rules that we have learned in this chapter and complete the exercises given to you. So if you have any queries related to the chapter, you can ask me in the comments. And I'll be waiting for you with a new video. Until then, stay.